Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you decided to come and watch another video of mine. In today's video, I'll be bringing you this very soft pink Valentine's Day look. It's all pink, all reds, red eyeshadow, anything. This look is very simple, very easy to achieve, but it has that little flare and that little pop of glitter into my crease just to open up my eyes. And I have on some very nice flirty lashes, and I have on a big juicy red matte lipstick, not gloss this time. You know, it's Valentine's Day and I have to make sure my lips last all night long. For eyeshadow today, I'm actually going into my KylieCosmetics Burgundy Palette, and I am using this for all of my eyeshadows. I love this palette so much. And it's great for Valentine's Day. If you want to get your SO a Valentine's Day gift, this would be great. If you have this palette, I actually created this look using this palette, so pull out your palette and let's get started with this video. Yes, it's good, it's recording, we are in action. Okay, so I already have a little bit of my Dermablend loose setting powder underneath my eyes, and my eyebrows are already done, and I prime my lids just with a little bit of concealer, and I set that down also with some of that Dermablend powder. Now I'm going to go into my ColourPop eyeshadow. This is in the shade Sea Stars, and I'm going to pick this up and place this right underneath my brow as my first transition. And taking this right underneath my brow and blending this all the way. Okay, now once I have that down, this is normally my base for any look. I'm actually going to go into my KylieCosmetics palette, and this is in the burgundy. I'm going to pick up the shade Naked, which is this one right here. I'm going to take that on a nice fluffy brush, and I'm using the ColourPop E2. I'm going to take that and start placing that into my crease, keeping this really high, very nice and tight with that Sea Stars shade. Remembering to blend up and out instead of side to side. Now for this look, I want to go really typical Valentine's, very soft and flirty. But you know, still, I'll take your man. Very elegant, very beautiful, but with a little spice at the end. I find that red is not only a great color and it looks so good, but it's also very Valentine's Day friendly, and everyone kind of can work with a couple red eyeshadows. Now taking up that same shade and actually just blending this outwards, making sure this is nice and big. And from here, I'm gonna pick up the shade Burgundy, which is this red right here in the center. I'm gonna take that and place that all over my lid and also into my crease from outer corner all the way to inner corner. Oh, this is going to be so sickening already. Wow. Wow. After packing that shade on, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and blend this into my crease. Now this shade will take a little bit of building to get it however intense you like. Now you could go ahead and like leave this red level and continue with the tutorial, but I personally want something a little bit more vibrant. So I am going to just pick up that same shade, and I'm going to pat it on and also blend it out. How's my phone ringing? And I put it on Do Not Disturb. Isn't it supposed to like not disturb me? Now going back into that same ColourPop brush and picking up some of that Naked shade and going over these edges to blend them out just a little bit more. I'm Galliano. Alrighty, now I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of that almond shade, this one down here, and go ahead and blend this into my crease. Now picking up a smaller brush, I'm going to go into the shade Brick, which is this one right here. I'm going to really define my crease. Nothing too dramatic, but definitely will give my eye just a little bit more shape. I'm only taking this into my crease. I'm not gonna blend it down. I'm going in with my NYX Primal Colors, and this is in the shade Hot Red. I'm going to use that and place that all over my lid as well. And this is just going to make that red just a little bit more vibrant and also sharpen up that crease. Now I'm just using an even smaller brush, picking up that same brick shade and tightening out my crease. Now once I have all of this on, this is basically my eye look so far. All my colors are down already. Now for the fun part, I'm actually going to go into my L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise, and this is in Rose Gold. I haven't used it yet, but I have been saving it for a time like this. Before I go in with that eyeliner, I'm actually going to pick up a little bit of my NYX Glitter Glue. Go ahead and place this in the upper part of my crease. The trick to doing this is do it with your eyes open. Instead of placing it right where my eye creases in, I'm actually going to place it above so that you can still see it. I'm going to lightly blend this right into the top part of my crease. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit of that LA shade from the Kylie palette, which is this one right here. I'm just going to set this right on top of that glitter primer. Then from here I'm going to go into the L'Oreal Voluminous Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm just going to carve out my crease ever so slightly. I'm going to take it about halfway, and then I'm just going to feather out the edges. Okay, now once I have that eyeliner on my top lash line, I'm going to take a little bit more of that Naked shade and lightly blend this on my lower lash line. Now picking up some of that LA shade on a fluffier brush. I'm just going to go ahead and give my brush a quick spritz. I'm going to take this and just blend this on my lower lash line. Picking up some of that Dubai shade. I'm just going to pop this on my brow bone. Then from here I'm going to go into my KylieCosmetics Magnificent Metal, and this is in the shade Rose Gold Retro. I'm actually going to take this and pop this right in my inner corner. And just take my finger and lightly blend this out. From here, taking a little bit of my Midnight Cowboy liquid eyeliner. Going to put just a little topper on that. Then I'm also going to take this and align that eyeliner. Ooh, so pretty. And from here, I'm just going to take a little black eyeliner, go ahead and tight line. And also just taking a little bit of this, placing it on my upper lash line. And then this is what you should have so far. This is actually everything before lashes and mascara. I'm going to apply some lashes off camera, put on some mascara on the top and my lower lashes, and I'll be back to go ahead and finish off this look. Cause my body's too bootylicious for you, babe. Okay, so I popped on some lashes and did some mascara on the top and the bottom. I'm feeling this glitter fantasy. I love it so much. I'm gonna go into a little of my Physicians Formula Argan Oil. Go ahead and prep my lips. I'm going to go into my Wet n Wild Baked Blush, and this is in the shade Dare to Soar. And I just think this goes so well with the eye look. I think it matches quite exquisitely. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and give my cheeks a little color. Also taking a little bit of this on my chin. Now for a little more highlight, I'm going to go into my Nicole Guerrero and Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting kit. I'm going to pick up the shade Kitty Cat. Kitty Cat, Kitty Cat. Also using my Sephora number 93 featherweight brush. I'm going to take this and top this off on the high points of my cheeks. Now using my finger, picking up some of that Kitty Cat and highlighting my nose. From here, I'm going to go and do some lips. Now, I thought, why not a better way to bring in Valentine's Day with using my KylieCosmetics Burgundy Palette, but also using my Kylie Jenner Lip Kit. And this is the holiday edition. And the lip kit shade is called Mary. Nice, true red. And it also comes with the lip liner. Ooh. So today I'm going to have Kylie eyes and also Kylie lips. Starting off with lip liner, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Once I have my lip liner on, I'm going to go into the liquid lipstick.
Will I drag you in bed, trying to fix it with sex, or will I tell you I'm done with you? I know I'm complicated, kinda crazy, but will you stay the night?
Alrighty, so this is the completed look, complete with lashes, glitter, and matte lipstick today. For lips, I am actually using my Kylie Jenner lip kit. It is a holiday collection, and this is in the shade Mary. This here. It comes with the matte lipstick as well as the lip liner. I'm pretty sure this is limited edition because it was her holiday, but I love the lipsticks no matter what. And also I enjoyed pairing it with my KylieCosmetics Burgundy Palette. This combination, Valentine's Day heaven. If you enjoyed this look and enjoyed my tutorial, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, and it's linked down in the description bar below. Before you go, I want you to remember that you're beautiful no matter what anyone says or does. Don't forget it, and don't let anyone change it. Bye, and I'll see you next time.